Who doesn't want to save money in their kitchen? I don't know about you, but I do. So this is my number one rule of thumb, that I buy spices or ingredients that I'm going to utilize and use in my other recipes that I make. So if I've got to buy spices, I make sure that I'm going to use them. Not that they're going to be used only once with a recipe and then after the use by date, I'm going to throw that out. So that's really not being cost effective. So the number one rule of thumb when wanting to save money in the kitchen is purchase ingredients or spices or stuff that's in your pantry that you will utilize and use. That is my number one rule of thumb. I'll see you.